For many people, summer is the time to kick back and relax. It's also a peak season for an unpopular pest. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stick around and we'll talk about how to get rid of some of those unwelcome guests right after this.
Temperatures are warming up, but we're making it easy for you to chill out with our Today's Homeowner Beat the Heat giveaway. Enter now for your chance to win an Arctic Cove misting kit, the perfect solution to keeping things cool this summer, whether you're working around the house or lounging by the pool. The prize pack also includes some Stay Cool Today's Homeowner gear, perfect for your next barbecue or trip to the beach. Enter today at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway.
When the weather starts heating up, the fleas start multiplying and they like to hitch a ride on your pets and make themselves comfortable in your home. To get rid of these pests, follow these simple tips. Wash all of your pet bedding, linens, sofa throws, and even bathroom rugs on a regular basis. Treat infested areas with a spray that kills not only the adult fleas, but the eggs as well. Vacuuming is a great way to get rid of fleas, but be sure to place a flea collar or some broken mothballs in the vacuum bag first. This will help kill the fleas once trapped in the bag. After the vacuum bag is full, seal it in a plastic bag and dispose of it to keep any escapees from finding their way back inside. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.